Happy day to everybody. Let's talk about the basicity of H3PO2, which is known as hypophosphorus acid. The electronic configuration of phosphorus is the inert configuration of neon and then 3s2 and then 3p3. Our valence electron comes out as 2 plus 3, which is 5. For oxygen, the inert configuration of helium and then 2s2 and then 2p4. The valence electron comes out as 6. Here 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. Also, I would highly suggest you to watch how to draw the structure of this particular molecule H3PO2. I'll provide the card here on the top right corner. Kindly do watch it. Okay, now let's talk about the structure of this particular molecule, and then we'll try to calculate the basicity of this molecule. Let's draw. The central molecule is phosphorus, having an oxygen. Yeah, having an oxygen. So our central atom is phosphorus, having an oxygen on top of it. So I've got 3 hydrogens left and I've got a single oxygen left. So I'm going to draw one oxygen here, and then it is connected to a hydrogen. The valence electron of oxygen is 6. First electron, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the hydrogen's electron, this one. And phosphorus had 5 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now oxygen has completed its octet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hydrogen has completed its duplet, 1, 2. Now I've got 2 hydrogens left, so I'm going to draw 2 hydrogens having single electrons, because the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1, having a valence electron of just 1 electron. So it will make single bonds with phosphorus, and they have also completed their octets. Oxygen here also has completed its octet. See, it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 valence electrons, and after making bond, it has also shared electrons and has now completed its octet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now talking about the basicity. Basicity of H3PO2 will come out as 1. This bond will break off. How? And why am I not including these 2 hydrogens while talking about the basicity? Because we say that basicity is the number of H plus ions released by an acid which is connected to a highly electronegative atom. See, hydrogen here is connected to oxygen, which is a very highly electronegative element. But hydrogen, in these 2 cases, hydrogen is directly connected to phosphorus, and the electronegativity value of phosphorus and hydrogen is almost equal. So there is no much greater difference between the values of electronegativity of phosphorus and hydrogen. So while we place when we place this H3PO2 in water, these 2 bonds will not break off, but this one will break, because the electronegativity difference is very high. Okay, hydrogen has a, I think, electronegativity value in Pauling scale, it has 2.1, and oxygen has 3.5, whereas for phosphorus it is somewhat 2.12 or something like that, and hydrogen has just 2.1. So due to this, the electronegativity difference is very large. So our basicity will be 1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.